A yacht is actually a symbol of wealth, and utmost luxury and this luxury are enjoyed by the world's richest people or billionaires. Yacht is more for entertainment and leisure. This can be measured according to the size, length, and expenses through the year. These luxury vessels have grown in size, entertainment, and luxury. 10. All Salamat. All Salamat, the 10 biggest yachts in the world, launched in Germany in the year of 1999. The gorgeous vessel is measured 457 feet. 9. Ocean Victory. Ocean Victory built in Italy in the year of 2014. It measured 459 feet. 8. Yacht. This yacht was built in 1978. It measured 462 feet. It can accommodate 60 guests comfortably. 7. El Horia. El Horia is a world's oldest yacht, which is built in 1865 and measures 478 in length. This biggest and oldest was originally made for Egyptian king. 6. Prince Abdulnasir yacht. The Prince Abdulnasir was built in 1984, measured in at 482 feet. It can accommodate 65 guests and decorated with all luxury of the world. 5. Topaz. This German-built super yacht is not world's largest vessel, but it is one of the expensive yachts. It measures 482 feet. 4. All Said. All Said. This is owned by the Prince of Oman. Its capacity is 25 knots. It measures 508 feet. 3. Dubai. Dubai built in 2006. This biggest vessel is 524 feet long. The yacht has the capacity to accommodate 7 guests as well as 40 crew members. 2. Eclipse. Eclipse is world's second largest and most expensive private yacht, which valued at Euro 860 million. This luxury vessel measures in at 536 feet long. First, Assam. Assam is one of the largest yachts. It's owned by the Princess of United Arab Emirates and Emir of Abu Dhabi. The value of this gorgeous vessel is Euro 480 million. This yacht built in 2013. It measures 590 feet.